because it's cold out here. Welcome to our new office. So when we got here, it was a completely raw space, like a construction site. So we were able to pick out all the finishes that we wanted. Construction's almost done. We should be moving in the next couple of days, and we'll do a part 2 when everything is fully furnished. So this wall is where our sign will be, so you can see when you come out of the elevator. It was literally the most 80s wall ever with like pebbles built into it. So now we have this really nice, natural, modern wood finish with the indirect lighting, which I think is really sleek and really contemporary. You can see that throughout the space we're gonna have these baffled ceilings. I think they're a really cool way to add some texture. Again, some of that natural wood element you'll see inside as well. I really love the floors that we picked out. They're a really pretty, durable porcelain, but they kind of have this marble finish to it, which I think looks really high-end and luxe. So this is our door. Instead of seeing the clear cut, we're getting a custom sign. And when you first walk into most jewelry offices or any high security place, you're gonna see the man trap, which is basically this weird space where there's a double lock door situation in case, you know, anything happens. So we're heading into our man trap now. So as you can see, this is kind of like a weird, awkward space without windows or anything. We don't have a formal seating area, so we really want to make this area really cute and comfortable and a place for clients if they want to sit down, they can enjoy. So we're going to add a really cute bench here, some nice decorations. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for what we can do to make the man trap feel a little bit more homey and less like a security prison sort of situation. All right. So once you leave the man trap, you head into, heavy doors, our office. Take the first left into the studio, this beautiful room with all these windows. This will be where we film all of our content. So where we do all of our clear-cut classrooms, our YouTube videos, and have our podcast guests come. So it's a nice, really airy, bright room. We're facing south, so we're getting a ton of sun. We are planning on having this beautiful velvet pink couch here, and it's just gonna be very, you know, feminine but high-end yet approachable vibe. I don't know, that's what I'm going for. Again, if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I kind of want to make this wall some sort of like mural or something memorable. I can't really think of what to do, but again, open to suggestions. And as you can see in all of the rooms, we're doing the white baffled ceilings like when you walked in. But in the hallway areas, we wanted to add some contrast and have more of that natural feeling. So we're still doing the baffle, but we're doing a brown wood color. If you head down the hallway to the right, you'll see our shipping room, which I'm really weirdly excited about. Shipping takes up a lot of our business and our time and our space, so having a dedicated room to this is going to be incredible. And as a lot of you guys who have been following us for a while know, we've been working out of a windowless room, not too much bigger than this, for the past like 2.5 years. So having this whole space just dedicated to shipping and storage is a real treat. So these are our showrooms, and they're going to have glass fronts put in, but they're not in yet. Also, as much as I love these floors, you guys know I love these floors, we will have to carpet each of the showrooms just because it's really dangerous if a diamond falls on these hard floors that it'll crack or get damaged. So we are adding not only the glass in front, but some charcoal carpeting, which I think will be a nice contrast to the all-white room. We have the white baffled ceilings here again. And this is our showroom number 1. So this will be where our gemologists meet with our clients for wedding band appointments, diamond appointments, all of that good stuff. And right next door is my showroom. This is where I'll be meeting with clients. It'll also have the glass fronts and the charcoal carpet. It has so much sun, and I love how bright this is. And if you look, it might be hard to see because of the sun, but we have the view of the Empire State Building. And if you're sitting in an appointment with me, my desk is gonna be set here, and you'll be sitting here. Ooh, so you'll be able to see the Empire State Building. We're also gonna add window treatments, so it doesn't blind you. But this light is so incredible to catch that diamond light, and you guys are gonna love to see the diamond sparkle in this natural sunlight. And over here is going to be our conference room. I'm so excited. We got this gorgeous black marble tulip table and some ghost chairs that are gonna be here. And this will be where our team has some breakout meetings, or if we have clients that need to sit and wait, this would be a great waiting area. And then one of the biggest treats of this space is we have not one, not two, but 3 of our own private bathrooms. Such a treat in your own space. So these bathrooms are really cute. Sorry, we're still under construction. You can kind of see this one. It's a little bit cleaner. We have all these really modern black appliances. I love this marble with the veining, which is kind of like the white and black contrast, so super sleek. And I love this mirror. This is like an amazing selfie mirror because you can turn the light on or off, and it's really great for just checking yourself out. So please excuse the mess. We're just installing all of our security today, but come on by. This is going to be our kitchen area. It's covered in wires today, but it'll be complete soon. Right here is going to be our cafe area. We have this beautiful live wood coffee table that I'm going to add here and hopefully put some leather chairs. This can be where our team has some coffee, break out, chill out. And over here is where all of our gemologists will be sitting. This whole back end area, they're gonna get so much great natural light, and it's gonna be a blessing for them because they've been working in a windowless room. We also have this fun little terrace right off the cafe and gemologist area, and I'm a little scared of heights, but it's really nice if you want to just step out, have some fresh air, look at the Empire State Building. And this terrace isn't even the best terrace, so let me take you to the best one. All right, follow me for the best part. New York City! So here is a view of Rockefeller Center. They just took down the tree. I'm so sad, but it was the perfect view of the tree. It's such a treat, and we're gonna be so spoiled because it's really unusual to have any sort of outdoor space in Manhattan, especially Midtown Manhattan, and we have all of this great outdoor space to use and enjoy for our team. Thanks for joining our office tour. We've come a long way from our windowless room, and thanks to all of you for being there by our side the whole time. We will shoot a part 2 once everything is furnished, so I'm really asking you guys if you have any tips, any decorating ideas, please comment below and let me know, and I'll see you soon. All right, I gotta go furnish this place, but you guys are welcome to come once it's ready. We head into Kyle.